how to deposit a check on Chase app. The first things first is if you don't have an account with Chase Bank app yet, you'll have to create one. Just simply head to their website and then go to the personal homepage, and then you should be able to register with a new account or open an account. Just clicking on this green button right here. Now, once you already have an account, just simply logged in. The same thing if you're using your mobile device for the Chase application. Now, for you to be able to deposit a check using the mobile app, what you need to do is to deposit a paper check without leaving the comfort of your home. You can use the mobile app with the check deposit services that allow you to deposit a check through your phone or smart device. So generally, there will be a prompt to take a clear photo of both the front and back of the endorsed check on your bank's mobile app. You'll just have to check with your bank to find out if mobile check deposit services are available. So, meaning this may not be available for some countries or region. So, just log into your account and then go to your um, profile and then check for deposit. And from there, you'll just have to ensure the check is valid, confirm the information is accurate, and then endorse the check through the mobile application. So that's it. That's how quick and easy you can deposit a check using the Chase app.